What's gonna have a finish machine?
Look, he's grabbing the camera now. He's trying to eat the camera. Hey, chill, bro.
He's like, why you putting me on TV while I'm enjoying my smoothie? My own made smoothie.
Let go.
Said Ashley.
Let go.
Said Ashley. Don't do that, bro. Is that your wife? Your mouth's really messy.
He's grabbing the phone again. Go.
Actually, you're making your man angry, actually. Is he stronger than you or something? Don't make your man angry. Don't make your man angry, You see how he's making
You're sick because there's none left now.
You did it again?
You're trying to eat what? Oh. Yeah, bro. Why'd you do that?
It's fun.
You spoke to the people watching.
This is fun. I think that's enough for you. Okay, that's enough for you.
Michigan.
Is that enough? Is that enough? That's the last of it anyway.
That's the last bit, Michigan.
So that's bananas, apples, strawberry, raspberry, kiwi, and dates. Mutin, did you enjoy it? Was it yummy? Was you burp? But it was yummy. Wipe him out.
Just grab the phone again.
Hey guys, say hello. Introduce yourself, Nicholas. So come and get to know me, guys. My name is Nicholas and I like food. And I'm a dude and I ain't rude. Unless I want my food. Go on, Nicholas, rhyme. Rhyme. So we're gonna tidy up and make the bed together. Oh, look at the fish. Look at the fish. You just had a fish. Like you did a fish here.